Do you know West Papua in Indonesia? Before I tell you all about West Papua, don't forget to click subscribe to support me in my YouTube channel, Maulana Relaxing Official, and I will ask you around the world. Thank you. West Papua, Indonesian, Papua Barat, is a province of Indonesia. It covers the two western peninsulas of the island of New Guinea, Bird's Head Peninsula and Bomarai Peninsula, along with nearby islands. The province is bordered to the north by the Pacific Ocean, to the west by the Halmahera Sea and the Seram Sea, to the south by the Banda Sea, and to the east by the province of Papua and the Cenderawasih Bay. Manokwari is the province's capital. West Papua is well known for its Raja Ampat Islands, which contain the richest marine biodiversity in the world. 51.5% of the total population in West Papua are the native Papuan people. There are several tribes in West Papua. The tribes that inhabit West Papua province are the Arfak, Doweri, Kuri, Semuri, Iraratu, Sabayar, Maskona, Marazai, Kambu, Anam, Sikar, Maybrat, Tehit, Imko, Moy, Taipan, Maya, Bayak, Anki, Argani, Asmat, Aau, Batanta, Bayak, Bintuni, Dani, Demta, Janaim, Kwai, Hatam, Jakwi, Kapaku, Kaman, Marazai, Manakshan, Mapia, Marindianam, Mimika, Mani, Mwiu, Numfer, Salawati, Uhundun, and Wajio. The remaining population are mostly immigrants from other parts of Indonesia, such as the Javanese, Bujanese, Makassarese, Minahasan, Torajan, Butones, and Moluccans. The population of West Papua province embraces different religions. Data in 2006 showed that the largest percentage of religious believers were Protestant Christians, 50.70%, then Islam, 41.27%, Catholic Christians, 7.70%, Hinduism, 0.12%, Buddhism, 0.08%, and Confucianism, 0.01%. Indonesian is the official language in West Papua, just like other provinces in Indonesia. All road signs and documents released by the provincial government are written in Indonesian. However, Papuan Malay is used as the lingua franca of the province, both as a trade language and in inter-ethnic communication. One of the most iconic traditional houses in West Papua is called Rumah Kaki Seribu, Thousand Legs House. This house was built as a place to demonstrate and exhibit various cultural relics such as musical instruments, traditional clothing, handicrafts found in West Papua and so on. The traditional clothes in the West Papua region are named Sirui. Not much different from traditional clothing in Papua, the form of clothing is almost the same for both men and women. They wear clothes and lower body coverings in the same shape. They also wear ornaments on the chest and head in the form of necklaces, bracelets, ornaments of birds of paradise on the other parts of the head. Equipment worn by men at weddings usually have the groom holding a shield such as an arrow or tombo to fulfill the Papuan custom. Another West Papuan traditional clothing is called Ur. This garment is purely made from natural ingredients, namely dried straw. As West Papua consists of many tribes, there are very many traditional dances on each tribe. The most common traditional dance is the war dance. Where this dance has a meaning heroism Papua. The bow and arrow is one of the main weapons typical of the tribes in Papua. In the West Papua province, the largest airport is Dominique Edward Osok Airport, located in Sorong. In addition, there are also Fakfak Airport, Rendani Airport in Manokwari and Utaram Airport in Kaimana. Major flights to the West Papua area from Jakarta, Surabaya, and Makassar are usually via the airport in Sorong or Biak, then continue with smaller aircraft. In Doweri Bay there are three small islands, Manzanan Island, Lemon Island, and Ramutai Island. These islands have a collection of coral reefs. It is estimated that this place has more than 20 former World War II wrecks. But what can be seen clearly is that there are around 6 ships such as Pasir Putih wreck, a type of Navy patrol boat with a length of 12-22 meters. Pillbox wreck, a type of commercial cargo carrier carrying around 9-16 meters of ammunition. Cross wreck is a kind of patrol boat. Mupi wreck and Shinway Maru, a cargo ship. The Sendra'ase Bay National Park have a unique geological structure and very important oceanographic history. This marine national park has extensive coral reefs of the highest quality in the world. Sendra'ase Bay National Park is in 5 regions and 2 provinces, namely Telequandona Regency and Manokwari Regency in West Papua Province and Nabire Regency, Yapen Island Regency and Waropen Regency in Papua Province. Local communities living around national parks use marine resources as a source of life. Sendra'ase Bay National Park is a bay surrounded by several islands, including Biak Island, Yapen Island, and the mainland New Guinea. Administratively, the area is in 2 regency, namely Telequandona Regency, West Papua Province and Nabire Regency, Papua Province. Raja Ampat is an archipelago that is administratively located in the Raja Ampat Regency, West Papua Province. This island is a destination for divers who are interested in the underwater scenery. Raja Ampat Islands is one of the 10 best waters for diving in the whole world, so it has the potential to be a tourist location, especially diving tours. In this place it is also home to 75% of the world's coral species. In the village of Saint Derek, when the tides are lowest, we can see coral reefs without diving. Some unique species that can be found while diving in Raja Ampat are several types of pygmy sea orzas, wobbegongs, and manta rays. Sawing Grey Tourism Village is a village located in Mios Mansar Subdistrict, Raja Ampat Regency, West Papua. It is one of the place in the province to see bird of paradise which is still maintained today. Sawing Grey Village tourism sites are currently inhabited by around 36 families and some of them have the expertise to make handicrafts typical of sculpture. There are 4 species of bird of paradise that are preserved here, namely the red bird of paradise, Paradisea rubra, magnificent bird of paradise, Chichinurus magnificus, lesser bird of paradise, Paradisea minor, and greater bird of paradise, Paradisea apida. One of the 4 species, the red bird of paradise, is a typical icon of Sawing Grey Village. Do you interesting to join journey here? Come on, welcome to West Papua and have a nice journey. Thank you.